Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Elastic App Search for intuitive web filtering UX, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the Elastic App Search dashboard. Log in with your credentials to reach the main interface. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the Engines section on the left sidebar. Click on Create Engine to start setting up a new search engine. Input a name for your engine, ensuring it reflects the purpose of your filtering UX. Select the appropriate language settings for your audience. Now, press the Create Engine button to finalize this step. After your engine is created, navigate to the Documents tab within your engine. Here, you will need to upload your data. Prepare your data in a JSON format for optimal compatibility. Use the Upload feature to import your documents. Next, move to the Search tab to configure search settings. Set up the relevant filters that will assist users in narrowing down their results. In this section, you can also customize the search relevance by adjusting the scoring rules. To enhance user experience, implement synonyms for relevant terms. This helps improve searches based on user intent and language variations. Next, navigate to the Analytics tab to monitor user interaction. Keep track of how users are engaging with your search functionality. Explore the Recommendations section to optimize suggested results. Adjust the criteria to show the most relevant content based on user behavior. After setting all configurations, return to your engine overview. Verify that all settings align with your intended design for intuitive filtering. Finally, preview your search engine to check the overall user experience. Test various queries to ensure the filtering works as expected. Once you're satisfied with the setup, you can deploy your search engine to your website. With this, your Elastic App Search is fully configured for an intuitive web filtering UX. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.